Hi boys and girls, today we're going to write your words 3 times each. So put your name at the top and I'm going to tell you your spelling words and we're going to write each word 3 times. The first word is hum. Hum. Next word is gum. Gum. Number 3, bus. Bus. Number 4, jug. Jug. Number 5, mug. Mug. Number 6, tub. Number 7, dug. Dug. And the last word is rub. Rub. Now I want you to go back to the beginning and write each word 2 more times. So when you get done, your paper should look like this. We should have all of our words written and our name at the top, but then put it in the basket and start on your Lexia.